I'm Allison. I help people learn how to declutter their homes and lives for better living, selling, packing, and moving. And one of the things that most of my clients find hardest of all is going through their sentimental items and deciding what to keep and what not to keep. So stay tuned. I'm going to teach you how to do that. I always advise my clients start with the easy stuff and then work your way up to the hard sentimental stuff. Why? Because you are learning a new process. So you start with the easy stuff that's not as taxing, that's not as emotionally charged, and then you work your way up because by that point you know the process, you know how to set the right goals, you know how to set the right boundaries so that when you decide whether or not to keep or let go of sentimental items, you are making informed, smarter decisions based on facts rather than emotions. And it is so much less stressful at that point. So definitely wait and get some practice before you start working on the tough stuff. Asking yourself questions can help you set appropriate boundaries so you are making smart decisions. Again, not based on emotions, but based on fact. So questions that really can be helpful when you're trying to go through your sentimental stuff is, what are your goals for these items? What do you want to do with them? Do you want to keep them indefinitely? Do you want to sell them eventually? What's your goal for that item? Number 2, are you keeping them because you really want to or because you think you have to? If you're keeping them because you think you have to, why? Are you keeping them out of guilt, shame, and fear? Because that stuff's in your house. Guilt, shame, and fear. You really want to keep guilt, shame, and fear in your home? So that's a huge factor. Number 3, where do you plan on keeping them, displaying them, or storing these items? Do you have the space for them? And then number 4, are these things monetarily valuable or are they just sentimentally valuable? So asking yourself these questions can definitely help you get set up so that you are making your decisions based on fact and taking the emotions out of it, which makes it a lot easier. Thanks for watching. And remember, most of us were not taught how to declutter or organize when we were kids. So this is something you can learn. If I could do it, you definitely can do it. And if you're looking to pick up some new skills, take control of your life, and get things out of your life that don't have real meaning and aren't serving a purpose, then I have a great way to do this. It's a great way for you to pick up new skills and for you to get the support and guidance that you need that's tailored to you. Look at the link below and see you there.